In a major legal development and political win for President Donald Trump, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled to limit the power of lower courts to block his executive order aimed at ending birthright citizenship for children of undocumented immigrants. The landmark decision reinforces presidential authority on immigration matters and marks a critical moment in the ongoing debate over constitutional rights and immigration reform. While the ruling does not immediately enforce Trump's birthright citizenship policy, it restricts lower federal judges from issuing broad nationwide injunctions that could block presidential directives before full legal review. The court's majority opinion, released today, emphasized that district courts must act with more restraint and should not halt executive actions unless a clear and direct harm is proven. The decision has drawn sharp criticism from immigrant advocacy groups and civil rights organizations, who argue it opens the door to unchecked executive power and threatens long-standing interpretations of the 14th Amendment. Supporters of the ruling, however, hail it as a necessary correction to what they see as judicial overreach and praise the court for restoring balance between the branches of government. Demonstrations outside the Supreme Court, captured in recent file footage, reflect the deep national divide over immigration policy and the Constitution's role in defining citizenship. As legal experts examine the broader implications, the spotlight now turns to how this ruling could impact future immigration enforcement and presidential authority, especially with Trump once again at the center of America's political landscape.
For a long time, and they put them into caravans. I think I came up with that name, but somebody did. It's a great name, a caravan. Thousands and sometimes as many as 30,000 people walking right into our country. Again, last month we had none. Think of that. It's almost, people say it's almost impossible. But they come in, and at a minimum, they're not people that work very hard. They're people that are on welfare. They don't want them. They don't want them. They give them to us.
Hands off!
Birthright citizenship!
Hands off!
14th Amendment!
Hands off!
14th Amendment!
Hands off!
The 14th Amendment!
South Korea showed us how.
The Trump regime must go now!
The Trump regime must go now. Now I want to call on people, use some of that lung capacity that you have.
Gestapo, we say no!
Ice Gestapo, we say no!
Now's the time for Trump to go!
Now's the time for Trump to go!
On felony charges because ICE burst into her courtroom. This is what's going to happen to you. You saw how Mayor Ras Baraka
and targeted along a trajectory that leads to catastrophe. This is what we are seeing right now. Trump must go now. Trump must go now.
Is playing from their playbook.
Trump must go now.
Trump must go now.
Trump must go now.
Trump must go now.
Deportations, we say no.
Donald